What's up, guys? So this is like a very late start to this video just because everything I do is literally like last minute. So I had this whole plan for my 18th birthday prep with me. Like, I had all my appointments set, but a lot of the appointments got canceled and stuff. It's fine. So I'm just gonna go to the nail shop and I'm getting a simple like design. I'll show you guys, like, you guys will see. Very simple. And then I'm gonna get my toes done, and then yeah, and it's literally like a day and a half before my birthday, and just slowly rolling with the punches. My skin doesn't look too bad. Staring hard. Y'all, so we here. Tell me what color you picked.
Y'all, I got a baby pink. Let me show y'all.
That hot pink is really cute too.
I got this one right here.
22. And then I got this like stiletto, short stiletto with jewels on them. And then you guys already know, French tip on my toes. Only way. My lash appointment is tomorrow. Hopefully that goes right because I don't know how my hair appointment is looking for real. Okay guys, so it's the next day before my birthday. Like, today is the day before my birthday. My birthday's in 20 hours. But I got my lashes done, as you can see, but I didn't vlog it just because I kind of forgot, and plus it's like, how am I gonna set the camera up and I'm getting my lashes done? Like, it just doesn't make sense, you know? So I'm at Kiara's house. Kiara.
Hi.
And yeah, I don't know what else well, today is like all my prepping stuff. I probably have to go to the store, Viva Fashion, maybe. That's maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna go or not, but I need to shower, shave. I need to wash my hair and blow dry it for my hair appointment tomorrow morning. And I also need to dye my wig when it gets here tonight. So yeah, this is like, everything's so last minute, but it's all gonna come together good. Okay guys, so I haven't really did anything since you last saw me. Like, I've just been at Kiara's house chilling for real and just trying to figure everything out with my hair appointment and like figuring out everything I'm doing tomorrow. But right now we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Like, my room needs to be clean. Like, I feel like it's just not my birthday if my room is not clean. So if you clean space, happy mind basically. So I guess I would just get a montage of me cleaning because I don't really need to talk for this. Okay guys, so I am pretty much done cleaning, made my bed, picked up my clothes, put stuff away. And so now I'm gonna do laundry, and I have so much laundry to do. And I really don't need to do laundry like for my birthday, but I feel like I need to because I don't feel clean unless my laundry is done, so. Hey guys, so it's officially my birthday and I'm gonna get in the shower. So I already have a shower routine up on my channel, so I'll just do like a little montage and I won't link that video up here. Nothing cute at all. I'm gonna show you guys what products I use at night on my skin. If you haven't seen my shower routine, then you've seen me use these products, but I use the Aquaphor ointment body spray advanced therapy, and I like this spray better because it's more sanitary, because I like to use it on my face too. And then I use the aromatherapy Bath and Body Works lotion. I really love this. And then I use like any perfume that I have, for real, because it's just nighttime. And right now I'm using the pink watermelon one, which smells so good. I think this is a part of their fall, their spring collection. And then just because it's my birthday, Victoria's Secret bombshell. I really want to start collecting like perfumes, like expensive ones. Just get my collection up. Hopefully that's what will come in the new year. That's what I want for my new adult self, since I am now an adult. So yeah, I'm gonna blow dry my hair. It's literally like 2 a.m. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna go to, no, actually I'm not gonna blow dry my hair. I'm going to braid it down so I can blow dry it in the morning, just so I don't have to worry about it right now. And I really need to like pack my bags for the hotel, so you guys will see that before I end this video. And then tomorrow I start my birthday vlog, and I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. That's why it's not in this vlog. I know it should have been because it prepped with me, but I just thought it made more sense to put it in my birthday vlog since it is my birthday. So yeah, literally all I'm gonna do is braid my hair down so it can dry sleep. And so in the morning when I blow dry it just a little bit, I don't have to put very much heat on it. And I'm just gonna do like some French braids, and it's gonna be real simple. Like, I don't even care how good they look because I'm just gonna go to bed. Actually, no, I don't want to do French braids. I'm gonna do 4 sections and do 4 braids because I'm not lazy. If you guys are wondering why my hair is so short, just because I cut it, just because I didn't have any heat damage or anything. Because the crazy thing is, I never get heat damage, but what I do get is extreme breakage. My hair doesn't know how to retain length, and it was breaking up the shaft, like split ends, breakage, like the whole 9 yards, basically. So health over length is my new goal for this year, and to just let go of the tie of feeling like I'm not beautiful unless my hair is long, because I am very beautiful. T, what are you doing? That black girl from Polar Express, but it's okay because I'm gonna be a bad bitch tomorrow, and that's all that matters. Get you a girl that can do both. Period. Right now my mom is dyeing my wig, my hair color. That's why you guys haven't seen it yet, but you guys will see it tomorrow. So I guess it'll be a surprise tomorrow, you know? Don't gas me because I know. I'm really trying to fight the urge to stay up all night and edit this vlog so you guys can have it on my birthday, but I might just edit it while I'm getting my hair done for real, honestly. I really do want to be on my YouTube grind. Like, it's like whenever I want to be on my YouTube grind, it's like I'm super motivated and I make plans and everything, and then like one bad thing happens in my life and I'm just like, nah, fuck everything. Like, I just don't care. Like, I just don't have energy for it. But I guess one good thing that came out of that is now I'm getting a therapist, and I think I've been needing one for a very long time, and I think that's gonna come very, very much in handy. Not in handy, just help me process my emotions a little better than how I've been processing them my whole life. This conversation is very deep, but it's the truth, bro. Sleep in these braids, and I'm not gonna put a bonnet on because I want my hair to dry while I'm sleeping. So we're gonna go to sleep just like this. This is cute. New style. Thumbnail. Hang time. Bitch, ain't no fucking hang time. Okay, so I want to end today's video right here, me looking like this. I love you guys so much. Thanks for supporting me, liking my videos, commenting, subscribing, period. It is only up from here. So bye. Love you.